The Eleganza 3 is a fully profiling electric hospital bed intended for standard care facilities and intensive care. The Eleganza 3 XC has integrated scales and an X-ray cassette holder for chest X-ray examinations. Warning: the purpose of the video manual is for showing how the product should be used. The video manual does not replace the standard instructions for use in any way. Always read the instructions before use. For a detailed description of the functions, see the chapter on electrical functions of the bed. The supervisor panel can be hooked over the footboard or put on the linen shelf if required. Before using any function, press the activation Go button. The safety Go button remains active for 3 minutes. The supervisor panel provides the user with the thigh rest and backrest positioning. It also provides the height adjustment buttons and the buttons for the simultaneous positioning of the thigh rest and backrest, auto contour. The green area of this panel provides the user with pre-programmed functions such as the Trendelenburg position, cardiac chair position, examination position, mobilization position, and the CPR position. The Go button is not required for activating CPR. The head and foot down tilt buttons can be found on the right side of the supervisor panel. All electrical functions are interrupted by pressing the stop button. This enhances safety. Active elements of the bed can be locked using the respective function lock buttons, including the foot controls. The functions can be unlocked by pressing the lock button again. The ergonomic handset can be hooked over the head or foot end or the side rails. The handset can be used by the patient or staff. The spiral cable provides good range and flexibility. Before using any function, press the activation Go button. The handset provides the user with the thigh rest and backrest positioning, as well as the height adjustment buttons and buttons for simultaneous positioning of the thigh rest and backrest, auto contour. The handset has a light for the patient, which can also be used as an examination light. The handset can be plugged into the bed by using the plug-and-play connector located near the accessory rail. If required, the handset can be removed from the bed by pulling the plug out from the plug-and-play connector. Put a cover over the connector after disconnecting the plug. Lift the protective bar covering the foot controls before positioning. This can be done using the foot. The Go button does not need to be activated. The foot controls provide the user with the height adjustment and examination position buttons. The integrated control elements are located in both of the head side rails. They are dual-sided, so they can be used by the patient and by the staff. Before using any function, press the Activation Go button. The integrated side rail controls provide the user with the thigh rest and backrest positioning, and the height adjustment buttons, and buttons for the simultaneous positioning of the thigh rest and backrest, auto contour. The MobiLift is located on both sides of the bed between the thigh rest and calf rest of the mattress platform. To use the MobiLift, simply pull it out of the bed, lift it up and push down until it's firmly located. The MobiLift is a mobilization handle with an integrated height adjustment. Before using any function, press the Activation Go button. The electrical functions of the bed are locked for safety reasons. This feature prevents the unintentional positioning of the bed if one of the buttons were pressed accidentally. The electrical functions can be activated by pressing the Go button. The Go button is located on the supervisor panel, the handset, and the integrated side rail controls. The electrical functions of the bed are activated for a period of 3 minutes by pressing the Go button. During this period, there's no need to press the Go button again. The time period is automatically prolonged by pressing any other function button. If a function button has not been pressed for 3 minutes, the functions are locked and the Go button must be pressed again to allow positioning. Activate the function by pressing the Go button. Press and hold the function button until the desired position is reached. This function is located on the supervisor panel, handset, integrated side rail controls, foot controls, and the MobiLift. Activate the function by pressing the Go button. Press and hold the function button until the desired angle of the thigh rest or backrest is reached. This function is located on the supervisor panel, handset, and the integrated side rail controls. Activate the function by pressing the Go button. Press and hold the function button until the desired position is reached. Auto contour means the positioning of the thigh rest and backrest simultaneously. This function is located on the supervisor panel, handset, and the integrated side rail controls. Activate the function by pressing the Go button. Press and hold the pre-programmed function button until the emergency Trendelenburg position is reached. The backrest and thigh rest will flatten. At the same time, the bed will tilt by 16 degrees so that the patient's head is in the lowest position. This function is only located on the supervisor panel in the green area where the pre-programmed functions are located. Activate the function by pressing the Go button. Press and hold the pre-programmed function button until the cardiac chair position is reached. The backrest and thigh rest are positioned to the maximum angle and the bed is tilted simultaneously. This function is only located on the supervisor panel in the green area where the pre-programmed functions are located. Activate the function by pressing the Go button. Press and hold the pre-programmed function button until the examination position is reached. At the same time, the bed is flattened and positioned to the optimum height for patient examination. This function is located on the supervisor panel in the green area where the pre-programmed functions are located. This button can also be found on the foot controls. Activate the function by pressing the Go button. Press and hold the pre-programmed function button until the mobilization position is reached. The backrest is positioned to the maximum angle so that the head side rail serves as a support for the patient. At the same time, the bed is positioned to the minimum height so that the patient can stand up with ease and safety. This function is only located on the supervisor panel in the green area where the pre-programmed functions are located. Press and hold the pre-programmed function button until the CPR position is reached. The Go button is not required for this position. The bed is flattened and positioned to the lowest height so that the patient can be resuscitated. This function is only located on the supervisor panel in the green area where the pre-programmed functions are located. The CPR position can also be activated manually. Activate the function by pressing the Go button. Press and hold the function button until the desired position is reached. In contrast to the red Trendelenburg button, here the mattress platform is not flattened, the backrest and calf rest stay in position, and the mattress platform can be tilted to the desired angle. This function is only located on the supervisor panel. Activate the function by pressing the Go button. Press the Lock button located on the supervisor panel above the chosen function. Now the respective function is locked. The functions are locked on all the control elements. The locked functions are indicated on the supervisor panel by small yellow indicator lights above the respective functions. To reactivate the function, press the respective lock button again. The function is active when the yellow indicator light is off. Activate the function by pressing the Go button. The foot controls can be locked by pressing the lock button on the supervisor panel showing a symbol of the foot controls. After pressing, the foot controls will be disabled. Locked foot controls are indicated by a yellow indicator light near the locking button on the supervisor panel. The other control elements remain fully functional. To lock the foot controls, press the lock button. The foot controls are activated when the yellow indicator light is off. The stop button immediately stops all the functions of the bed. It can be used when the patient is activating the bed inappropriately. The stop button can halt any electrical movement of the bed. This function is only located on the supervisor panel. The backrest needs to be flattened quickly for CPR. The mechanical CPR is a red lever located on both sides of the bed under the head side rails. Unlock the CPR by pulling out from the bed and hold the lever until the backrest is flat. The calf rest can be mechanically adjusted to the optimum height. Slowly raise the calf rest using the handle located on the calf rest section of the mattress platform. The calf rest will lock in place automatically. To release the calf rest, raise it slightly and slide it down. The mattress platform can be extended by pulling out the foot end frame. The safety catches are located on both sides of the frame at the foot end of the bed. These need to be pulled out and turned by 90 degrees. Hold the foot end frame with both hands and extend the bed by pulling the frame out. Return the safety catches to their original position. Raise the mattress and slide the metal cover so that it covers the gap. Slide the mattress towards the foot end. Insert a mattress squab or pillows to fill the gap at the head end. To fold down the split side rail, push the top of the side rail towards the bed, release the lock mechanism and fold the split side rail down slowly. To bring up the side rail, hold by the upper handle and raise it until it automatically locks in the highest position. The split plastic side rails can be supplied with a protector. Insert the protector into the locator that can be found near the foot end. Lock the protector by pushing it towards the bed. Make sure that it is locked properly. To unlock the protector, press the locking mechanism up. To remove the bed ends, rotate the locks by 90 degrees and pull them up. To reinsert the bed ends, reverse the process. The central caster control lever is located near the foot end on both sides of the undercarriage of the bed. If the lever is in the horizontal position, all the casters will be unbraked. If the red end of the lever is up, the fifth caster will be activated. This function makes transportation easier. If the red end of the lever is down, the bed will be braked. The bed can be supplied with a brake alarm function. If the bed is connected to the main electricity supply and is unbraked, an acoustic noise will start to alarm immediately. Apply the bed brake. A lifting pole and infusion stands can be installed into the ports located near the head end. Ensure that the safety pins lock them into place. Attachments weighing up to 2 kilograms can be hung from the plastic hooks on the accessory rails located under the mattress platform on both sides of the bed. The weight limit of the accessory holder is 10 kilograms. The battery status is shown by the orange indicator light located in the lower left corner of the supervisor control panel near the battery icon. If the indicator is not lit, the battery is fully charged. If the indicator is showing a longer flashing sequence, then the battery has low power. If the indicator is showing a short flashing sequence, then the battery is charging. If the indicator is lit continuously, the battery is defective. Call the manufacturer.